As a facility manager, when is it convenient to tackle projects that produce noxious odors? Almost never. Construction and remodeling fumes, like paint, stain, and carpet glue, generate nasty odors that result in uncomfortable environments and occupant complaints. You can get the work done whenever it's convenient by using an activated carbon filter in the commercial-grade portable HEPA 700 or AP 700 air purifier. These true HEPA air filtration units remove potentially dangerous particles in the air, including cooking odors and wildfire smoke, while the carbon filter absorbs odors, smoke, or fumes quickly and thoroughly, resulting in cleaner air both for occupants and you. Reduce odor-related irritants and prevent complaints. Use professional HEPA air scrubbers with carbon filtration every time indoor or outdoor odors may cause issues in your environment.